Hi everybody. Well, a little change of plans. I had planned to do my centerpiece today, but I needed some picks that were regular pine or spruce or Christmas tree. And I live in a little village and there's not a big selection of stores here. In fact, there's no selection of stores. I have a Dollar Tree, which is a very nice new Dollar Tree. So I went there and they do not have any whatsoever. And their floral pick section is almost empty. I'm sure they have more boxes to open, but that didn't help me today. So I'm switching up and I'm going to do the Mailbox swag. Now this is a Mailbox swag that I got from Amazon, and you can see it has two rails on the back and it has a hook so that when I go to put it on the mailbox I can bend it and it will hook to the other side here. There's a loop in the, wait a minute, here, this way. There's a loop here. Okay, so we're going to try to do a little bit of decorating on this. I have one of these great big garlands that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use this to put balls and bobs on this. And I also have some ribbon, new ribbon that I got from Sam's, and we're going to use that for the ribbon. Now I'm not sure how well this ribbon will hold up outside. If it doesn't, we'll just have to replace it. This is pretty, and it has the red and the green, like this has the red and the green. Okay, so I'm going to start with a little bit of ribbon. Gracious, they got tape on here that is stronger than I am. How long do I have this tape? There. Okay, now I'm going to make sort of like a drape piece of ribbon that will come down the side. So what I'm doing, okay, is I'm measuring it along the length of this, and I'm going to give myself probably maybe almost double, 1.5 anyway. And I'm going to dovetail the ends. Okay, now let me get the center here. And I'm just going to kind of go in and pick one of these and just go around it to hold it. And then I'm going to loop it like you do on a Christmas tree. Just loop it. And I'm going to loop it one more time. We'll do the same on this side. There we go. Now what I'm going to do with these, this garland, it's much too long, but we're going to see. We get some zip ties out here. Those are too big. I've got some little black ones. Let's use these. Let's see where we get with those. Now I'm going to start by looking to see where the middle of this is. And it looks like this ball here is just about the middle. So what I'm going to do is to take this green ball and I'm just going to zip tie it to one of these branches. Well, I could probably just use the branch to start with, but I am going to put some zip ties on to make sure they stay. Now if I go over this way, and these ribbons are getting a little messed up as we go, but they will come back when I put a bow on. I'm taking two, one on each side, and then just twisting them together. And that's not going anywhere. Now, there is, you can see, I got this much left here. If I leave this green, this big green one, and I'm not sure, I think what I'm going to do is leave that attached, because when I put it around the mailbox, this I think I will wrap on the pole that the mailbox is sitting on. Okay? Let's put one over here. This is a nice, easy way to get lots of balls on the garland. And we'll put this green one over here. Now there's not as much hanging down on this side, so I guess I either didn't get them even or that. So I think now what I'll do is make a nice bow. I think I'll put one more per side. I'll go through there. Well, wouldn't you know, I'd get a bad zip tie. Let's see if I can get this without losing all of my ribbon. Let me go get another zip tie. Okay, I got one this time that's big enough for 6 bows. That's pretty, huh? There you go. And I'll kind of see if I can put it on a table over here, and I'll take a picture with the camera off of the mount so you can get a better view. Now I'm just hoping that I can bend this without too much trouble. I'll have to do it over my knee later. I'm not going to do it right now. But let me go take a picture of this to show you. I think it came out really nice. Back in a second. Here it is. Isn't that pretty, huh? And that's the piece I'm going to try to put on the pole. And if I can't, I'll just cut them off. See the bow? So there you go. There's another little project done. I'm not going to put it out right now. It's raining. But I will get it out there, and once I've got it out there, I will get a picture of it while it's on the mailbox. I may not put it out until a week or so because I don't really put the outside lights on until closer to Thanksgiving. But we'll see. And I will see you again Sunday for Cook With Me. I hope you enjoyed this little video. It was short and sweet. Not all projects take a long time. So have a great afternoon, evening, morning, night, whatever it is for you. And until I see you Sunday, everybody play nice now. Love ya. Bye-bye.